Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our podcast. I'm Anna.
Hi, friends. I'm Tom. We are happy you are here with us today.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English with simple talks, remember to subscribe and learn with us every day.
Yes, listening a little every day really helps your English.
Today, we are talking about food,
Oh, my favorite topic already.
and more exactly, how to order food in English.
Very useful, because we all eat every day.
Yes, and ordering food is something you can practice in real life.
Even in a restaurant, a cafe, or when you order food online.
Let's imagine we are in a restaurant.
Okay, I'm already hungry.
The waiter comes to the table and says hello.
And you want to order food politely.
A simple way to start is to say hello.
Yes, you can say hello or hi.
Then you can say, I would like,
For example, I would like a chicken sandwich.
or I would like a bowl of noodles.
This sentence is very polite and very common.
You can also say, can I have?
Like, can I have a burger, please?
Adding please makes it sound friendly.
Polite English is always a good idea.
Sometimes the waiter asks, are you ready to order?
And you can say, yes, I am ready.
Or you can say, just a moment, please.
That is good when you need more time.
Many learners feel shy when ordering food.
Yes, but it is okay to speak slowly.
You do not need perfect English.
People understand you when you try.
Let's talk about drinks too.
Oh, yes, drinks are important.
You can say, I would like a coffee.
Or, I would like some water.
If you want cold water, you can say, cold water, please.
Simple words work very well.
Sometimes you want to ask about the menu.
Yes, maybe you do not understand all the food names.
You can ask, what do you recommend?
That is a great question.
Or you can ask, what is popular here?
The waiter usually helps you.
Ordering food is not scary when you know simple sentences.
And practice makes it easier every time.
You can even practice at home.
Yes, you can pretend to order food.
You can say the sentences out loud.
Even talking to yourself helps.
Food is a fun topic to learn English.
And everyone loves talking about food.
Next time you go to a restaurant, try one English sentence.
Even one sentence is a big step.
Little practice every day brings big improvement.
And food makes learning more fun.
Ordering food is also a great English activity.
Yes, not just listening, but doing.
One easy activity is role play.
You can be the customer and your friend can be the waiter.
Or you can change roles and practice both.
This helps you remember real sentences.
Another activity is reading the menu out loud.
Even a simple menu works.
You can say the food names slowly.
Like pizza, salad, soup, or rice.
Saying the words helps pronunciation.
And you feel more confident later.
You can also practice at home with pictures of food.
Point to the picture and say, I would like this.
Or, can I have that, please?
Simple and useful sentences.
Another fun activity is writing.
Yes, you can write your own menu.
Write food you like.
And prices too if you want.
Then practice ordering from your own menu.
I would like the chicken rice, please.
I would order everything.
That menu sounds dangerous.
You can also watch short food videos in English.
Listen to how people order food.
Try to copy the sentences.
Even copying helps learning.
You can practice with your phone.
Record your voice and listen.
Do not worry about mistakes.
Mistakes mean you are learning.
Another activity is ordering food in English in your mind.
Yes, imagine the waiter is there.
Imagine the questions and answers.
This prepares you for real life.
Learning English with food is fun.
And you never get bored.
Eating and learning together is perfect.
Just don't eat too much while studying.
Yes, or you may fall asleep.
Then you dream about burgers in English.
That still counts as practice.
Maybe, a little.
Now, let's really talk about ordering food step by step.
Yes, like a real situation, not just one or two sentences.
Imagine you walk into a restaurant and you sit down.
You look around, and maybe you already smell the food.
Yes, that smell makes you more hungry.
And also a little nervous if your English is not strong.
That is very normal for learners.
But today we make it simple and comfortable.
First, the waiter comes and says hello.
You can smile and say hello back.
A smile is also part of good communication.
Then the waiter gives you the menu.
You open the menu and start reading.
Sometimes you understand, sometimes you do not.
That is okay. You do not need to understand everything.
You can look at pictures or prices.
Or words you already know, like chicken or rice.
I always look at the pictures first.
Me too. Pictures are very helpful.
After some time, the waiter comes back.
The waiter may ask, "Are you ready to order?"
If you are ready, you can say, "Yes, please."
Or, "Yes, I am ready."
If you are not ready, you can say, "Just a moment, please."
That sentence is very useful.
It gives you more time without stress.
When you are ready, you start ordering.
You can say, "I would like."
"I would like grilled chicken, please."
"I would like fried noodles."
Speaking slowly is perfectly fine.
Slow English is clear English.
Then the waiter may ask about drinks.
You can say, "I would like water."
Or, "I would like orange juice."
If you want something cold or hot, you can say it.
"Cold water, please."
"Hot tea, please."
Very simple and clear.
Sometimes the waiter asks, "Is that all?"
You can say, "Yes, that is all."
Or, "No, I would like one more thing."
That sentence helps a lot.
Now let's talk about activities for practice.
Yes, not only listening, but doing.
One good activity is speaking out loud at home.
You can pretend you are in a restaurant.
You are the customer and your chair is the waiter.
My chair is very patient.
My table sometimes interrupts me.
Another activity is changing the food words.
Keep the sentence, but change the food.
I would like pizza.
I would like soup.
I would like a salad.
This helps your brain remember the pattern.
You can also practice with a friend.
One person orders, one person listens.
Then change roles.
That makes it more fun.
And you can laugh together when you make mistakes.
Laughing makes learning easier.
Another idea is using real life.
Yes, real restaurants are the best classroom.
Even if you say only one sentence in English, it is great.
One sentence today is better than zero.
Over time, you feel more confident.
And ordering food becomes easy and natural.
Food is a perfect topic to practice English.
Because everyone eats and everyone orders food.
Little by little, you will speak without fear.
And enjoy your meal at the same time.
Sometimes ordering food does not go perfectly.
Yes, real life is not always smooth.
Maybe the waiter does not hear you clearly.
Or maybe you say the wrong food.
That happens to everyone.
Even native speakers.
So let's talk about what to do in these moments.
First, let's talk about repeating.
If the waiter does not understand, you can repeat slowly.
You can say it again with a smile.
I would like chicken rice, please.
Saying it slowly helps a lot.
You can also point to the menu.
Pointing is very powerful English.
Yes, body language helps.
Another problem is getting the wrong food.
That can be a little scary for learners.
But you can fix it politely.
You can say, "Sorry, this is not what I ordered."
Or, "Sorry, I ordered chicken, not beef."
Using sorry makes it polite.
People are usually kind and help you.
Another common problem is not knowing a word.
That is very normal.
You can explain the food.
Like, the food with rice and vegetables.
Or the soup with chicken.
The waiter often understands.
You do not need perfect words.
Communication is more important.
Sometimes the waiter speaks very fast.
Yes, that can be hard.
You can ask them to repeat.
You can say, "Sorry, can you say that again?"
Or, sorry, can you speak slowly?
These sentences are very helpful.
Another situation is when the food is late.
You are very hungry and waiting.
Yes, hunger makes English harder.
You can ask politely.
Excuse me, is the food coming soon?
That sounds polite and clear.
Now, let's talk about practice activities again.
Yes, practice makes confidence.
One activity is acting problems at home.
Pretend the food is wrong.
Pretend the waiter speaks fast.
Then practice your sentences.
Another activity is listening practice.
Listen to food videos in English.
Focus on simple sentences.
Do not worry about every word.
You can also write small dialogues.
Write what you say and what the waiter says.
Reading them out loud helps a lot.
Your mouth learns English too.
Yes, your mouth needs practice.
Another good habit is staying calm.
When you feel calm, English feels easier.
Take a breath and speak slowly.
No one is judging you.
Most people are happy you try.
Each problem is a learning moment.
Every mistake makes you stronger.
Little by little, ordering food feels natural.
And you enjoy the experience more.
Food tastes better when you feel confident.
That is very true.
Tom, I love when ordering food becomes easy and fun.
Yes, it feels good when you can say what you want without fear.
And even small practice every day helps a lot.
Absolutely. Little steps make big progress.
One last tip for listeners is to try speaking English every time you eat.
Even at home, when you cook or eat a snack.
You can pretend the table is a restaurant.
Or order food to yourself. It still counts.
Another tip is to notice the words you do not know.
Look at the menu and try to remember one new word every time.
Little by little, your vocabulary grows.
And your confidence grows too.
Remember to smile when you speak English.
Yes, smiling makes your voice sound friendly.
And do not worry about mistakes. They are part of learning.
Every mistake is a story you can laugh about later.
Food is fun, tasty, and also a great way to practice English.
And every time you order, you can feel proud of yourself.
We hope you enjoyed today's lesson about ordering meals in English.
We had a lot of fun practicing together with you.
Try to practice these sentences, role plays, and activities this week.
And remember, small steps every day make big progress.
Thank you so much for listening.
Yes, thank you, friends. We hope you feel more confident with English now.
Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast so you can learn more fun English every week.
And share it with your friends so they can practice too.
Keep practicing, enjoy your meals, and have fun speaking English.
That's right. Learning English can be delicious and fun.
See you next time on English Learner Podcast.
Bye, friends. Happy learning and happy eating.